Act 2. Gabe the Jet.
And you didn't see me, so you flew over me. So fly past me. And then a storm came, so we had to get away, but the jet saved me. That wasn't round 3. We don't have round 3 yet. Daddy, I was the transformer.
Oh, the transformer, okay.
I'll save you, Birdie. I'll save you. Okay, now we're going to have round 3. Ready, Daddy?
Ready.
Round 3. Now, action. First, I go out this time. Oh no. I'm eating. Wait! We have to have food. Okay, I just don't care. I always get new tape, Daddy, for my costume. Gabe, you have to be in here. And you watch me eating, then you catch me.
Gabe's making himself a new costume. Yay! Good job, Bella.
It's not round 4 yet.
Oh, you're not over
Gabe
yet?
has to be in here. Daddy, I'm waiting for Gabe. Daddy, I need another piece of paper.
Okay, time out.